Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Quail Corner. It's the friendly grower if you don't already know. It's a little switch up from our regular content to the quail. We got our 6 juvenile up top. That was quite the move right there. We got a normal one, I think that's Blackfoot, and a normal one over there. And then we have another standard, a normal one. And then we got the Lep. That's one of my favorite ones, I think. And then over there we got Blondie. And somewhere back there is another one. Smoky. These are not their actual names. They're just what they look like. But yeah, they want nothing to do with us, so if I can get this. Put my hand in. They want nothing to do with me. Down below, we got our older ones. That one right there is Blondie, or Big Bird, and she is now an egg producer. She's given us 2 eggs in the last 3 days, and we've actually got to try one of them. It was the best egg I think I've ever had. It was unbelievably rich and flavorful. It makes me excited to eat eggs again. Kind of looking forward to it. I know what they eat. I know their lifestyle. I know their names, or names in quotes. I know, we know everything about them, and that to me is a very rewarding feeling, a peace of mind, and supporting a sustainable system is a big deal to me. So that kind of makes me happy. But yeah, we got the little pumpkins in here with a little bit of snacks inside of it. The older ones don't seem to care for it as much. The younger ones really seem to like it, so we keep putting little goodies in there for them, and they just keep eating them. They love being in their sandbox, all of them. They snuggle together at nighttime. They're very social with each other at the moment, but as they get older, we expect that to change a little bit. So stay tuned, and we'll see how that changes a little bit. Subscribe if you're not already, and give it a share. It really helps me grow as a content creator, and I really appreciate it. But I think I'll cut this one a little bit short. There's not much more to share with y'all. If you check out my TikTok account, I'll drop a link in the description of this video. You can see us cook up our first egg and try it out, and it was a little bit of an experience. It was something totally different. But yeah, spread it out, everybody. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.